Skincare routine for combination skin. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the most requested video, combination skincare routine. Most of the girls suffering from these problems just because they don't know their skin type. Before we start the skincare routine, let's take a moment to appreciate each and every one of you. Teenage years can be roller coaster ride for emotions. Let's face it, our skin reflects that journey. But here is the deal. You are stunning, inside and outside. Just the way you are. You have been struggling with your combination skin. Some areas are oily while others are dry. So I'm here to help you figure out a good skincare routine. Combination skin can be tricky, but with the right routine and products, you can balance it out. Let's break it down step by step. Ready? First, let's start with a gentle cleanser. You want something that removes excess oil without drying out your skin. I recommend the Surah Foaming Facial Cleanser. It's great for combination skin because it cleanses and hydrates. Next, let's talk about exfoliation. You don't want to overdo it, but a gentle exfoliant like Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant works wonders. It helps to unclog pores and smooth out the skin. How often should I exfoliate? Start with twice a week and see how your skin reacts. You can increase it to every other day if your skin tolerates it well. Now, for toner, you need something balancing. The Thayer's Witch Hazel Toner with aloe vera is a great choice. It hydrates and soothes without stripping your skin. Serums are super important for combination skin. I love the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus Zinc 1% serum. It controls oil production and minimizes pores. Just a few drops in the morning and night. Even if you have oily areas, you need to hydrate your skin. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel is perfect because it's lightweight and provides intense hydration without feeling greasy. Sunscreen is a must. La Roche-Posay and Thelios Melt-in Milk Sunscreen SPF 60 is great for combination skin. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and provides excellent protection. Use it every morning, even on cloudy days. Remember, consistency is key. Give your skin some time to adjust and you'll start seeing results. And don't forget to listen to your skin's needs and adjust as necessary. I'm Minhu, signing off. Until next time, stay beautiful and be confident. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more.